What's up YouTube, Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today we're here at Nike at SM Annex. So let's check it out. So as you can see, they have a lot of choices. Over here we have Vapor Max over there on top. Then you have the Nike Reacts. These are the laceless version. This one is oops, there's no price. There's no price for these ones. But this one, the one with the laces, is actually on sale. So it's now at 6,116 from 7,600. So there's a discount of about 1,500 pesos. These are actually the latest model of the Epic React that released this year. This one is another laceless version, but it has a different design. So this one is also on sale. The price is 7,285 from the original price of 8,000 pesos. So yeah, there's a lot of sales here. Then over here we have the blue colorway of the Legend React. So these are the ones normally for wide footers. So this is at 5,000, more budget friendly React. So it's not actually that bad. It's also full length React midsole. This is actually much better than the previous Legend React. So they have here another colorway, which is the black and gray. So yeah, the price is the same. So over here we have the Nike Flex. These are actually quite nice. It's also on sale. As you can see, it's 4,045. There's a 450 peso discount from the original price. Here's the other colorway. And here's another one. This one is a little bit more cheaper, 3,996 pesos. Here we have the Vapor Weave for running. This is at 8,095 pesos. This is like an all-white Nike Cortez with this gray heel tab. These are actually nice. This is also on sale. The price is 2,936 pesos from the original price of 4,100. So yeah, this is such a clean sneakers, very nice, all white with a hit of gray and the heel tab. We also have here the Air Max 90. This one is also on sale, 5,000 original price, now at 4,056 pesos. Navy colorway, pretty nice. They also have here the Blazer Low, white with the navy swoosh. This is also on sale, From 3,695 now it's at 2,217 pesos. So guys, there's a lot of good deals here at Nike SM Annex. So if you're in for these sneakers that I'm showing you guys, so please drop by and check it out. Here we have the colorful M2K, but I don't have a price of these. I'm not sure if these are on sale. There's no price on the bottom or on the side, but these are quite nice colorway for M2K. We have a very nice sneakers again over here, the Air Max 270. Again, there's no price. I don't see any price underneath or on the side. Yeah, they're here. It's a nice colorway. These are the other colorway of the M2Ks. This one is on sale. The price is originally 4,995. Now it's 4,495. So there's about 500 peso discount on this one. We have Air Force One over here. I'm not really fond of this colorway and the materials that they use. However, yeah, it's just a decent sneakers. This is another Epic React, the latest version, which is again on sale. So this one is 5,351 pesos from the original price of 7,600. So yeah, it's kind of really nice. Another Epic React that is on sale, latest version, nice colorway. I love that there's a gradient effect on the React midsole and the gradient effect on the upper, on the fly knit. So this one is, oh sorry, it's like this. So from 7,645 now it's at 6,116 pesos. So we have an orange colorway of the Presto React. So these ones is at 6,295 pesos. They have another colorway which is also like, not sure, it looks the same colorway as the other one. But yeah, but there's a different there's different colors involved on this sneakers compared to the other one. The cage itself is black for this one and the white on the other one. So yeah, the price of these is actually on sale. So from 6,295 now it's 5,655. So yeah, this one is on sale, guys. They also have a all black colorway over here. So this one is not on sale, 6,295. So they have all these colorways of this Air Max 270 React. This one is at 7,645. So it's not yet on sale. So I assume the other colorways are also not on sale. So they have so many colorways available. So I've already shown you two. They also have these green bubble with the blue and purple with a gold swoosh over here. This one in a light pink air bubble with majority green and navy blue and yellow swoosh for this one. I do love the design and the colorway of this Air Max 270 React. However, I wish they use a more premium material, because this one is just like felt material, which is so thin. It doesn't really look premium at all. So they also have the 270s over here. So this one is on sale. So this one is at 900 peso discount So from 8,995, it becomes 8,095.50 pesos. This one is another colorway that's on sale. Another 720. So yeah, the price is the same as the other one. So from 8,995, now it's at 8,095. So this is another colorway of the Air Max 270 React. This is actually nice, beige colorway with hits of green. This is not on sale, but it's pretty nice. They also have the Air Max 200 over here, different colorways. They have 4 that I can see. So this one is at 6,295. Over here we have the Element 55s. Very different colorways. So I'm wondering if these are on sale. Yes, they are. So from 6,745, now you can get them for 6,070 pesos. So guys, now let's move on to the basketball sneakers, basketball section. I will check out some of these sneakers actually you've seen before. So I will just show you some of the new items that they have here. So this one I actually haven't vlogged before or showed to you guys. These are the black, almost all black with this iridescent swoosh, Zoom Freak one. So this one, I think these are about 6,200 pesos. So they have the Jordan 34 over here. They also have this LeBron over here. They don't have the other colorway, the Lakers. So this is actually the LeBron colorway that I hate the most. I don't like it. And then like this colorway. So this one, first time I've seen in any shop. These are the Jordan Mars, black and orange colorway. So this one is at 8,545. So almost similar price to the Jordan 34s. Oh, this just recently released. These are the Jordan 10 Seattle colorway. So I would bet that this will end up in the outlets again. So this one is at 9,445. Yeah, if some of you guys like to have this pair, just wait for it. For sure this one will end up in the outlet in 2 to 3 months. I wonder why these aren't in the outlets yet, but these are kind of old already. They released this over 3 months ago, but these are actually a nice pair of Jordans. I like this colorway, candy cane colorway. So this one is actually on sale. So wow, from 9,445, now you can get them at 6,611 pesos. This Jordan 12 FIBA is actually already on sale. So now it's at 8,500 from the original price of 9,445 pesos. So yeah, so I'm really kind of surprised why all of these are sitting. Probably because of the prices. The original prices of these are quite expensive. So now it's on sale from the price of 9,895. Now you can get them for 8,905. Oh, they have these colorways still. It's pretty banged up, very dirty, but it is on sale. So this one is at 6,926 pesos. So almost 3,000 peso discount for this one. So guys, if you want, these are actually a very good basketball sneakers. A lot of cushioning, as you can see. Then you have the fast fit system. So these are actually not that bad. So they have this LeBron 16 camo military colorway. So this one is actually on sale. Oh, it's actually a 50% discount from 8,095. Now you can get them for 4,000. Oh, not 50%, but with 40 something, 4,857 pesos. So that's the price of these. From 8,000 become 4,800. So guys, attack. So guys, that's about it. That more or less what I saw here at the Nike store at SM Annex. So I hope you enjoyed what I've showed you guys. And if you like anything that I've shown you, especially the ones on discount, please go ahead and check out the SM Nike store here at SM Annex. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.